Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that we are just nearly halfway through the month of December, and so far I've earned $44 in monthly recurring commissions. So that puts me into well into profit with this program. But more importantly, I want to show you in this video how you can get into profit fast. You can earn fast start commissions, and you can also earn a growing monthly recurring income. And with our team, the fastest growing team in Wealth Step by Step, I'm going to show you proof that we give you paying members. So I'm going to log into my back office here a bit later on the video. I'm also going to show you all the free tools and resources and done for you tools and training that we give you, mentoring, to help you succeed with wealth step by step. So one of the key things with any program, there's sort of two things that I talk a lot about on my channel, and one of those is getting into profit fast, and the other one is building a growing monthly recurring income with a program, because then you can reinvest some of your profits if you wish to do so and scale up that income stream. So I'm live here in my genealogy, and they've just changed the compensation plan for the better, because before on level one, you never got paid for your referrals. And you'll see here, each of these referrals, each of these members, you get paid $4 recurring income every single month as long as they remain a member. So you'll see here, there's 3 on there, that's $12. There's 7 there, that's 28, and I've now gone on to my third level. So I started out just on level 1 like everybody else starts out, and I built it up. It's a long-term program, this. You're not going to, if you aggressively promote it, then you can earn faster, but I'm looking at this as a long-term project for me, to build down my 9 and 10 levels. So what you'll see here, you've had a couple of cancellations, and that's okay. That's the nature of the industry. So you don't have to worry about getting any cancellations. But let me show you how we give you paying members. So if you see here, the sponsor there, the referrer is me. But when you see here, the referrer here is Frank. So I was given through the team rotator. It's a forced matrix, so we're going to give you paying members. As the team members fill up their matrix, then their referrals they're forced to get passed down to you. So it's called a forced matrix. So the faster the team grows, the bigger the team grows, then the faster your matrix will fill. We do recommend you must promote yourself. Don't just rely on the rotator, but we are giving paying members to our team. So you'll see there's one. So another one down here. Let's have a look here. That one, that's number 2. That was given to me. And this one here was given to me. So I've had 3 paying members given to me, which is $12 per month in recurring commission. Once I get one more of those, then that pays for my membership, and then the rest is profit. Now, you'll also see, if you watch this video here, excuse me, on my YouTube channel, the fast start commission. So I've earned $100 so far on top of this monthly recurring commission in fast start bonus. So multiple income stream program. So you'll see there, so far we're halfway through the month. We're now on the 14th of December. So we're up to this is recurring commissions. You've got your fast start on top of that. Let me just show you now the pay plan and how this works. It's really important to understand how powerful this compensation plan is. And then we let's go into pay plan here. So when you promote yourself, and when you use, it's a combination of you promoting yourself and a combination of the team rotator working in your favor. Get my little marker out here and just show you this. So you've just seen here, my level 1 is already full. So first you fill, first you fill, let's get rid of that. First you fill your first level up, and your first level has 3 members in the matrix. Now, the good thing about this now is that this has now become from 0. This has now become $12 a month with your first level. That is now, we're going to put RC against that. So RC is recurring commission when you fill your first level up. $15 a month is your membership payment. So it's important to know you get a free autoresponder with that. There is a product. So you pay $15 a month. That's what you pay every single month. So with your fast start commissions and filling your levels up within your matrix, you start to get into profit and earn a growing monthly recurring income. Level 2. So you saw my level 2, I had 7. But level 2, when you filled level 2 up, you earn 9. And then 9 times 4, you're then well into profit because you're only paying $15 a month, but you're earning 36 in recurring income. So you'll see there the difference. You're already in profit, $21. And then with the team rotator and your own promotion, if you're not sure how to promote, I'll teach you. So, oops, keep going on to that little, keep going into my files there. On the third level, when you get 27 filled up, so I think on there, is that the one there? You'll see there I've got 2. So when I get another 25 in there, 27 times 4, it starts to get more interesting. Then you're getting $144. Now remember, this is not including your fast start commissions, and this is a monthly recurring payment, passive income. This is the key to success online, passive income or recurring commissions. And then with the force matrix, the faster our team grows. So the thing is now, position yourself now, and as the team grows, get your level 4 filled, and then you're seriously into profit. That's life-changing income there. $468 per month of recurring commissions, not including your fast start. And you will only pay every month, you'll pay $15. So if you look at the difference, the profit, $468 to $15, $453 a month into profit. And then down here, there's another matrix. We're not going to go into that because we want to focus and get you focused on matrix 1. Get you focused. Click the link in the description. Join our team. We're here to help, support, and train you. I'll show you now all the tools and resources we're going to give you as well. So I'll mentor you one-to-one if you'd like some help. And we use Leads Leap to promote wealth step by step. Leads Leap is a lifetime free membership. And we give you all these, they're called share codes. And all share codes are just a code here that you copy and paste into the back of Leads Leap. And then it will automatically give you a copy, same copy of these lead capture pages here. Video instructions are here for you. We even give you all the email series. So if you want to build a list or start to generate your own leads, we give you all the share codes for the follow-up messages. So everything you need is here. Team Rotator, if you want to promote for the team and help your team build as well. Team Rotator link is there. Everything you need is here to succeed with wealth step by step. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to get notified and you want to see some more videos from me. I've currently got over 850 videos now on the channel, and I'm doing several new videos every single week. At the moment, I do a new video every day. And any questions at all about wealth step by step, please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. If you want to contact me direct through email, my email address will be in the description. So click the link in the description for more information. Come and join the fastest growing team. We're here to help, support and train you and become successful with wealth step by step. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.